morning, welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday and I thought for this vlog I could do like a mini reset slash a full weeks of eating. So taking you through how I meal prep, how much time I set aside for meal prepping on Sundays, and what I have been currently having on a bit of a rotation throughout the week. I am currently doing an 8-week challenge through my gym, and this is going into week 7. So within the challenge they have set out a full nutrition plan, which has definitely made life a lot easier. It's made me feel more inspired to really get into meal prepping on Sundays for not only just lunches but also brekkie and snacks and even some dinners for a few nights of the week, because honestly, like, it just makes life so much easier. Not getting decision fatigue on choosing what to have for dinner, having that plan on a Sunday for the week ahead, and also just not having to cook. It saves so much time when I get home from work at night. It makes life a lot easier throughout the week, definitely. So I have been, during the challenge, one of the meals for brekkie has been oats or baked oats, and I've been really loving it, especially in this cool weather. So I'm on a mission this morning to go grab some mason jars from Kmart and maybe even some more glass containers for lunches, just because I am prepping a lot more than what I was previously and definitely prefer glass over plastic. So let's go see if Kmart have what I'm looking for. I feel like every time I go into Kmart I always come out with something that I actually never went in for. So let's go shopping. So Kmart shop was a success. I picked up the mason jars and just a couple of extra glass containers. I'm now just heading home. I'm gonna wash them up and then head out to do the groceries for the week. Normally what I would do is the day before I do the groceries, or even the morning, like Sunday morning, I would choose my meals for the week. That's breakfast, snacks, lunch and dinners, and then create a shopping list around what I need for everything. And I try and make sure that there's an overlap of something. So for the likes of, say, a packet of noodles that I would only need half a packet for a couple of meals, then I would try and choose meals that also contain noodles so that I'm not wasting food. And the same with like vegetables and things like that, and meat especially. There's just no worse feeling than when you get to the end of the week and you've bought something that you intended to use in something, and then, you know, that food goes bad and you have to chuck it out. Like, I just don't like wasting food, so I like to choose meals that overlap where possible. So last night I went through and chose all of my meals for the week ahead for breakfast, lunch and dinners and snack. With the 8-week challenge that I'm doing, it automatically, once you choose your meals, it does up a grocery list, but it's something that I'm definitely going to continue doing after the 8-week challenge, because it just makes it so much easier when you're going to the shops knowing exactly what you need and how much of everything you need as well, rather than just guessing, getting too much, and yeah, as I said, like, just food wastage is just not necessary. Get out of the chocolate aisle. Alright, it's go time. So on the menu for this week, I'm doing apple pie porridge, peanut butter cup porridge. For snacks, I'm doing Snicker oat cookies, and I'll also do up some yogurt with vanilla protein and some sort of fruit, whether it's berries or banana. And then I'm going to try some raspberry bliss balls for another snack. For lunch, for majority of the week. I'm doing Thai chicken meatballs in red curry sauce, and dinner for tomorrow and Tuesday is chicken and green bean stir fry. Later in the week I've got a Turkish pasta. So for now I'm just going to prep breakfast, snacks and lunches. Brekkies are done. I've got the cookies in the oven and I'm just about to make the bliss balls. Normally I allow myself about 2 hours on a Sunday to do most of the meal prep. It's currently 1 hour down, so. This one I'm super excited for. It smells so good. It is a Thai red curry with chicken meatballs and it's so easy to make. 423 calories per serve, 30 grams of protein, 18 grams of fat, 30 grams of carbs. Can't wait to try it tomorrow. Last on my list of things to make is the raspberry bliss balls, which have raspberries, oats, protein powder, maple syrup, a little bit of olive oil and some coconut. They sound delicious. So I followed the recipe, but it seems a little bit too smoothie-ish to roll into balls, so I'm going to put it in the fridge and chill it for a couple of hours and then hopefully I'll be able to roll them. So that is everything that I've prepped for meals for the week this week so far. I do have a couple of days off throughout the week, which means that I'll be able to catch up on doing dinners and the rest of my lunches as well. But breakfast done, snacks done, and lunches sorted. One thing that I would suggest is before I started doing the challenge, I would pretty much meal prep the same thing every single week and it does get boring. So change it up, whether it's, you know, prepping 2 different breakfasts for the week or changing up your lunch and dinner options, having, you know, one of the meals for lunch one day and then have it for dinner the next and have something different for lunch, just to change it up a little bit.